This is going to be a short fire alarm test in honor of the victims of the terrorist attacks made on September 11th of 2001. These are a few of my loudest alarms. They're not my loudest, but they're some of my loudest. Got my Wheelock MT set on high-low, high volume. My Wheelock 34T and my system sensor P2RL set to continuous high volume. We're gonna go 30 seconds. So I am going to start at 1 minute and then we'll go to 1 minute 30 seconds. So just so I can get the amount of time. Alright, well, as you heard, the 34T there started to get kind of like, I guess these batteries are starting to, well, I guess that when I was doing that, it was sucking out a lot of the juice in these batteries. So yeah, I think that's why that happened. And you could barely hear the MT. Well, I could barely hear it. I don't know if you heard it or not. I'm pretty sure I set it to high volume. I'm not sure if I did, though. Maybe what I thought was the high volume switch actually wasn't. Then you heard that on continuous, and then you heard the 34T skipping as the strobes on these flashed, as a 7002T would do. But this isn't a 7002T. It's just the horn version of the 7002T. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is my fire alarm test in honor of 9/11.